Hello everyone. Today I will talk about how to improve the egg number. I am Dr. Prachi Kulkarni, fertility specialist, 49 Fertility Center, Banjara Hills. So basically, egg number is the number of follicles which are seen on the ultrasound scan on second or third day. Other days of the cycle also, when we do scan, we can see the follicles, but the best antral follicle count what we get is usually second or third day of the cycle. And also there is one more test called AMH, anti-Mullerian hormone, which also tells us about the egg reserve. So if somebody is having lower side egg reserve, which is confirmed by ultrasound scan count of antral follicles and also the AMH hormone, we suggest such patients to, along with trying to improve your egg quality and number, consult a fertility specialist so that you can go for ART treatments if required in time, and you should not end up with the fertility specialist when it is too late or when you have completely exhausted your egg count. So when you visit a fertility specialist, what we advise patients is, first is lifestyle modification. You should have regular exercise of at least 5 days a week of 30 to 40 minutes. Also, you should have a healthy diet which is rich in proteins, omega-3 fatty acids, folate, rich in antioxidants and multivitamins. So you should be taking protein in the form of eggs, or also vegetable proteins like dals and pulses and sprouts. All those protein content of your diet should be good. Then you should also take raw fruits and vegetables in the form of salad. Other than this diet, what we advise is health supplements in the form of vitamins which will have effect on the egg quality, like vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin D, folic acid. These are the vitamins usually we prescribe. Then coming to another form of supplement, which are hormonal supplements. So only to certain patients we may advise to take DHEA supplement to improve the egg number and help a quality of the eggs a little. For polycystic ovary patients, we may give supplements like myo-inositol supplements to help in the egg quality. So this is about improving the egg quality. All these may help a little in improving your egg quality and maybe numbers by little, but it will not increase it drastically. So if you found that your egg reserve is on the lower side, or if your AMH value is on the lower side, please consult a fertility specialist before it is too late. Thank you.